So functions are a big deal. They're such a big deal that we give a special name to a relation if its inverse is a function. They're a big deal. In a lot of ways, this class is all about studying various kinds of functions. So why are they so special? All right, let me show you a function. This function, named f, is the relation x is related to y whenever y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Right, so notice how whatever x we choose, we can just plug in that value for x and find y just by doing arithmetic. If we have a function described by an equation, we can always write the equation in this way. In general, if we have a function, there is always one y related to any given x. If that's the case, when f is a function, we write this symbol f of x. Now notice this is an x written in parentheses after f. We read this as f of x. This is not multiplication. This is not f times x. So don't read it as f times x. Don't read it as fx. Read it as f of x. We write f of x to mean the number y such that x is related to y in relation f. And we also get a simplified way of defining a function like this. In the example above, instead of writing out this whole definition to define f, we can just write f of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Instead of writing f is the relation x, y, such that y equals some expression in x, we just write f of x equals whatever the expression in x is. And of course this only works if we can write our equation in the form y equals some expression with just x in it. That is, this notation only works if f is a function. Right? This notation is called function notation, where we write f of x equals some formula in x to mean f is the relation where x and y are related if y equals some expression in x. We treat f of x as a stand-in for whatever the expression in x is. Now, I want to be very clear on something. F is the name of the function. F of x is an expression that stands in for whatever this expression in x is. So when we're referring to the function, its name is just f, not f of x. Let me have you just do a quick practice with this notation. Write the relation f equals the relation where x and y are related when y equals 3/2 x minus 4. Rewrite this relation in function notation. Again, we know that this is a function because its equation can be written in the form y equals an expression in x. Write this in function notation, pause the video, and try it now. Alright, so the function notation here is just f of x is 3/2 x. That's all there is to it.